Today we're going to be reading a story called Gray Elephant, Gray Elephant, Where are you going? You can read along with us if you want. Ready? Gray elephant, gray elephant, where are you going? I am going to see my friend, the black and white panda bear. What sound does the panda bear make? The black and white panda bear makes the sound huff, huff, huff. Black and white panda bear, black and white panda bear, where are you going? I am going to see my friend, the Green Komodo Dragon. What sound does the Komodo Dragon make? The Green Komodo Dragon makes the sound hiss, hiss, hiss. Green Komodo Dragon, Green Komodo Dragon, where are you going? I am going to see my friend, the black dog. What sound does the dog make? The black dog makes the sound woof, woof, woof. Black dog, where are you going? I am going to see my friend, the Brown Weasel. What sound does the weasel make? The Brown Weasel makes the sound shrill, shrill, shrill. Brown Weasel, where are you going? I am going to see my friend, the blue jay. What sound does the blue jay make? The blue jay makes the sound chirp, chirp, chirp. Blue jay, what are you doing? I am playing with all my friends. Can you remember all the friends I am playing with? I am playing with the gray elephant, the black and white panda bear, the green Komodo dragon, the black dog, and the brown weasel. We are all good friends.